Now, the situation in the center of the island was pretty bad, with rivers bursting their banks and major roadways being flooded, trapping motorists. Now, our reporter Anthony Lugg had a near miss in Scotts Pass, Clarendon, and now joins us on the phone. Anthony, what can you tell us?
Thanks, Herman. So, a usual journey from Mandeville to Tollgate, Clarendon could take anywhere between 30 to 40 minutes. But today, that took me close to 3 hours. The river in Scotts Pass, Clarendon, overflowed its banks, and I can tell you firsthand that it was scary. Had it not been for some residents who helped to push the vehicle through the waters, I would not have made it. While on location, several persons got stuck as water from the river entered their vehicles. Now, if that was not already a task, the traffic motorists had to endure was even more difficult. And I think it's because some persons were hesitant as to whether they would go through or not. Over in Tollgate, Clarendon, there was also flooding. St. Jago Road, which is usually an area of concern, was not spared. I'm also being told that all roads from Osborne Store to Tollgate have been flooded. Residents have been trying to move to safer grounds. Now, businesses are also underwater. Again, I can tell you major flooding in sections of Clarendon, traffic congestion in Scotts Pass as a result of the river which overflowed its bank, and the situation over here in Clarendon is extremely difficult. We will be monitoring the situation and will provide updates as they become available. Until then, it's back to you in studio.